Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel, and if you are new to my channel, thank you so much for stopping by. Now don't forget to click on the subscribe button and the notification bell for more upcoming future videos. So I went on Pinterest looking for a wall lighting chandelier with a mirror, but I couldn't find anything that I like. I did come across these beautiful pieces that gave me a great idea to create my own. If you would like to find out how I created my mirror wall lighting chandelier, just continue watching. To start, I went to Dollar Tree and purchased these beautiful frame mirrors, and then I covered the mirror part, getting them ready to spray paint. Before spray painting, I used my hot tool to cut off one end of the frame so I will have a smooth, flat surface. I went to Dollar Tree and purchased two stylish bows. Next, I'll be using a ruler and a metallic silver pen, and I will mark my bow in half, and then I'll use my hot tool to cut it in half. Next, I'll be using craft cardboard that I already had on hand, and I'll take one of the half bows and trace the back. This will create a backing for the bow. I will leave a complete list of all items used in the description bar below. Next, I'll be covering both cutouts with this mirror reflection paper. Next, I'll apply hot glue on the edges of the cutout, and then I'll attach it to the half bow. Next, I took 4 craft sticks and I spray painted them metallic silver, and then I glued them onto the mirror back part of the frame, and I let 3 inches hang out. Don't forget to follow me on my social media platforms for upcoming giveaways. Next, I'll be using self-adhesive gemstones that I purchased from Dollar Tree, and I'll be applying them on the front part of the frame. Even though these are self-adhesive, I use hot glue for a better hold. Next, I'll be using assorted large jewels that I already had on hand from Michaels, and I'll be using 3 of the diamond shapes, and I'll glue 1 in each corner. I glue the mirror frame onto the base using hot glue, and you may also use this as a standing mirror. Next, I'll be using chandelier links that I purchased from Amazon, and I will have that link below. I will also be using a bending tool and jewelry making eye pins. Simply to attach the chandelier links together, just remove one of the links off the key ring and attach it to the chandelier teardrop, and you can make them into any length you need. To attach the eye pins to the links, just simply bend one end with a bending tool, hook the link onto the hook, and then bend the opposite side into a hook as well. And here are the sizes and quantities of links you will need. Next, I will take a marker and make 4 dots on top of the base, 1 inch apart from each other. I will use my hot tools to make the holes. I will also be making a hole on every dip using my hot tool on the edge of the bow. Next, I'll use my 4 long links, and I'll take the eye pin and slide it through the hole on top of the base, and then I'll take my bending tool and bend the ends. Next, I'll repeat the same steps using my 5 links and my 3 links on the edge of the bow using my bending tool. Here I'm just simply attaching a 3 link and then another 5 link and then another 3 link and then another 5 link, and so on and so on. I took cardboard and I measured the top part of the base, and then I cut it out, and I'll be covering one side with mirror reflected paper. I also cover the edges with double strips of gem wrap. I'll be using hot glue to attach the cutout. I also added gemstones on the dips of the base. Next, I'll be using a remote LED touch light, and you have the options of also using it manually. And I'll apply hot glue and attach it to the inside. And here is the finished look. I really love the way these wall mirror chandeliers turned out, and the lighting that it brings to the room will be a great addition to my lounge blue room. This wall mirror chandelier will be a perfect addition in anywhere in your home. I hope you enjoyed this DIY as much as I enjoy making it. Now don't forget, I post new DIY videos every week. Like and share with family and friends. Comment if you wish. Subscribe if you haven't. Click on notification bells for more upcoming future videos. See you real soon.